Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung angles now that we're done with our power theorem. So, meron tayong tatlo, di ba? Yung tangent segments, second segments, and tangent and secant segments power theorem. So, pwede na rin yung yung kanina yung intersecting chords power theorem, di ba? So, kasama na yun. So, ito naman is we're talking about the angles that are formed by our seconds and our tangents. So, first theory is the intersecting secant exterior theorem. So, sa secant tayo, the intersecting seconds exterior theorem. So, dito, it states that the measure of an angle formed by two seconds that intersect in the exterior of the circle or within an external point is 1/2 the difference of its intercepted arcs. So, 1/2 the difference of its intercepted arcs. Plural. Madami. So, let's say that this is our external point, which is O. And ito yung ating B, C, E, D. Okay. So, ito yung ating angle. The angle BOC is equal daw to 1/2 the difference of its intercepted arcs. So, kung ito yung angle natin, syempre yung intercepted arc niya, ito at ito. So, unahin natin yung mas malaki. So, the intercepted arc ED minus the intercepted arc BC. That's our formula. Okay? So, hanap tayo ng example sa book na pwede natin gayahan. Ito. So, if our hanap tayo. Ito na lang. Let's say, hanapin natin yung ating angle, which is, So, if our angle ay nawawala yung angle natin, BOC, and given lang sa atin ay yung intercepted arc, which is 100, and then, yung isa naman ay wait. Kasi nakalagay dito sa book, yung sige, ito na lang yung gamitin ko. Mamaya na yan yung So, dito, given yung dito is yung isang intercepted arc, which is 100, and then yung ating angle, which is 25. Okay, so if our angle is 25 degrees, is equal to 1/2 the difference of 100 minus x. Diba? So, ayan yun. So, ito ay basically 1/2. So, para matanggal yung 1/2 na yan, ang gagawin natin is multiply both sides by 1/2. Kasi, we can write this formula kasi in a way or in the form of ganyan. So, in order to remove the number 2, diba? Para matanggal yung 2 na yan, multiply natin yung dalawang sides by 2. So, this could be simplified as ED minus BC over 2 pala. And so, para matanggal to. So, ito ay magiging 50. Diba? So, pag naging 50 yan, ito ay 100 minus x na lang. So, yung 100, pwede natin i-transpose yan. So, magiging negative 50 is equal to negative x. So, over negative 1 over negative 1, no? So, magiging, makukuha natin is 50 is equal to x. So, ito ay 50. Yan. If we were to find naman is yung angle natin, tanggalin natin yan. So, kunyari, ang angle O natin is equal to the half of 100 minus 50 over 2. So, it's equal to 150 divided by 2. So, magiging 25 siya. So, same lang. Okay? Ganun siya. So, next na theorem natin is the tangent point secant theorem. Tangent point. So, ibig sabihin, yung tangent natin and yung secant, they meet at the point of contact. So, they meet within the circle. Hindi sila katulad nung kanina mga example natin na external sila. No. So, within the circle na sila ngayon. So, ito. So, the angle formed by a tangent and a secant that are, so, the measure of an angle formed by a tangent and a secant drawn at the point of contact. Point of contact to. So, is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. So, parang inscribed angle lang siya. Okay, so, ito, kunyari, this is A, B, C. It's AB. So, the angle AB will be equal to 1/2 of the arc AB. Yan. So, it's 1/2 the arc AB. So, that is our formula. Okay, so, hanap tayo ng example sa book. Eto. So, AC is tangent at the circle O. Okay? At C. So, if the arc BDC is equal to 240, then what is the measure of the angle ACB? So, you can refer to this at page 148. So, yun yung hinahanap natin. Hindi na pala kababa. Yan. Okay? So, 240 yung dito natin. So, ito yun yung ginano niya, BDC. BDA pala. BDA. Yeah, kasi iniba ko yung measurement. So, BDC. Ito naman ay BDA. Yeah, pinagkaiba. So, BDC. Ito raw ay 240. Pero, ang pinapahanap sa atin is the angle of ACB. Ayan. So, ito. So, dito banda yung pinapahanap sa atin. Pero, ito lang yung given. So, remember, the interior of our circle is 360. So, maminus na natin kay 240 to get 120. So, ito 120. Ito naman ay 240. So, 120, you're just going to get the half, which is 60 degrees. Yeah. Okay. Last theorem natin is the intersecting seconds interior theorem. So, ito naman, kanina diba, ganito yung example natin. Ganito, 4 seconds. Ito yung angle, tapos ito yung intercepted arcs niya. Ngayon, yung dito naman sa theorem na to, the intersecting seconds interior theorem, dito sila sa loob. Yan. Ayan yung angle niya. Kunyari, ito. So, ito, same lang naman siya ng idea. Ito at ito. But instead of the difference of its intercepted arcs, ang hahanapin mo is the sum of its intercepted arcs. So, the measure of an angle formed by 2 seconds intersecting in the interior of the circle is equal to 1/2 of the sum of the measures of its intercepted arcs. So, A, B, C, D, E. So, the angle A is equal to the half of the sum of its intercepted arcs. So, BC plus DE over 2. Yan yung formula natin. So, isang sample dito okay, baguhin natin. So, ito ay magiging R N A tapos D. Okay? Okay, so ang condition niya, if B N is equal to 60, you can refer to your books at page 149, and then measure of the measure of AR naman is equal to 70. Ano naman ang ating BDN? Okay, so if BN daw ay 60 and our AR is 70, ano naman daw yung BDN natin? BDN. Okay, so gamitin natin yung formula na to. So ito naman ay replace of D, so magiging ito ay BN plus RA. So BN ay magiging 60 plus 70, which will be 130, di ba? So 130 over 2, that's going to be 130 divided by 2. That's 65. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay magiging 65 degrees. Next ay kapag if our NBA is equal to 260 and our BR is equal to 80, ano naman ang angle ni D? Okay, so ito naman tayo. So, ito tayo, dito yung hinahanap natin. So, ang given sa atin is BR, which is 80. And then, yung NBA. NBA ba? Oh yeah, the arc NBA. So, the arc NBA. Itong arc na to. Yan, see, 260 and yung BR natin is 80. So, the whole circle, diba, 360 minus 260 magiging 100. So, 100 yung NA. So, 100 plus 80, diba, over 2 to get the D. So, D is equal to 180 over 2, which is 90. Yan. So, ganyan tayo mag-solve.